They're not just accessible. They're not just community-powered. They are winning for three massive reasons, and these reasons are exactly why big SaaS platforms are struggling. One cost advantage that SaaS cannot compete with. When a company uses OpenAI or Anthropic, they pay API fees every message, every image, every embedding. Every request costs keep rising, but with open source, you can run your model. Today, we're breaking down exactly why open source AI is disrupting the entire SaaS industry, how it is stealing users at massive scale, and what this means for founders, developers, creators, and anyone who wants to build the next big AI product. On your laptop, on a cheap GPU, on a small cloud server, cost goes from thousands of dollars down to tens of dollars. A startup with a $50 cloud bill can now outperform a SaaS giant spending millions. That's a game changer too. Full control and customization. Big SaaS platforms give you predefined workflows, fixed features, very little flexibility. But open source AI gives you full control. You want to fine-tune. Done. Free to use in production, and you know what happened after that? Developers started building apps that were faster, cheaper, more customizable, and in many cases better than the big SaaS platforms that had been around. For years, this wasn't supposed to happen, but it's happening fast, and it's just the beginning. Why open source AI is winning. Open source models are not just cheaper. Stay till the end, because the real opportunity is not that SaaS is dying. The real opportunity is that anyone can now build something the world wants. The rise of open source AI. Let's start from the beginning. For years, AI was controlled by a handful of companies. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, deep pockets, giant research labs, massive compute power. You want to modify system prompts? Done. You want to build custom reasoning? Done. You want your model offline with no cloud dependency? Done. Large enterprises love this. Startups love this even more, because when you control your model, you control everything. If you wanted powerful AI, you either paid subscription fees, or you paid API fees, or you simply couldn't access the technology at all. Suddenly, something changed. Open source AI exploded. We got models like Llama, Mistral, QWEN, Phi, Stable LM, DeepSeek, DBRX models that shocked the entire industry because they were free to download, free to modify, free to fine-tune. Have you noticed something big happening in the AI world lately? Something that no one expected a year ago? Big SaaS giants, the companies that dominated for a decade, are suddenly losing ground. Startups with small teams, sometimes just 1 or 2 people, are now building tools that compete with billion-dollar platforms. And the reason behind this shift is simple: open source AI models. Vendor lock-in, heavy dependence on proprietary APIs, but the world is shifting to local models, self-hosted AI, open source ecosystems, zero-cost inference, ultra-custom automations. Big SaaS simply cannot adapt fast enough. Their margins depend on old pricing structures, and users don't want to pay for what they can now run locally. This is the real disruption. Users are gaining independence. Open source video models like Pika Runway's open alternatives, LTX video open source styles, are turning video editing into automated pipelines, meaning small developers can build video apps that compete with established brands. The hidden reason big SaaS is failing. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Big SaaS companies are built on a model that no longer fits the market. They rely on high subscription fees. Why would a company pay for something it can self-host for free? 3 AI customer support platforms, Intercom, Freshdesk, Zendesk plugins, all under threat. Open source allows custom fine-tuning, private data use, instant deployment. A startup can build a better support bot in a weekend and do it cheaper and more personal and more powerful than these big platforms. 4 video editing, SaaS, Descript, V, Capwing, and SaaS giants are losing their leverage. Why pay $39 a month when you can download a model and generate unlimited content? These SaaS companies are bleeding subscribers to AI chatbots. Chatbot tools that wrapped GPT into pretty dashboards, booming in 2023, dying in 2024 to 2025, because with open source, Businesses can host chatbots on their own servers with zero cost per message and full privacy. 3. Community innovation faster than corporations. When 10,000 open-source developers contribute, you get updates every day. When big corporations update, you get updates every 6 months. The community moves faster, experiments more, finds new techniques, fixes bugs, optimizes models, innovation speed becomes exponential. This is why open source is crushing big SaaS. It's not one company. It's a global brain working together. The SaaS platforms getting hit the hardest. Let's talk about the SaaS categories losing users the fastest. 1. AI writing tools. Jasper, Copy AI. Right, Sonic, these tools were making millions, but their entire business model relied on one thing: OpenAI's API. The moment open-source LLMs matched GPT quality, users realized they don't need to pay monthly subscriptions. Agent-driven systems. A single founder can build a SaaS using open-source LL local inference, serverless compute, agent workflows, custom embeddings, vector databases, automation chains. This combination is deadly powerful, and guess what? This is exactly why big SaaS platforms are scared. Because small founders now have the same power they do without needing a billion-dollar budget. Automation heavy AI native, not just subscription wrappers around GPT. Hundreds of thousands of developers started downloading models, running them offline, avoiding SaaS APIs entirely. Example 3. LM Studio. One simple desktop app, letting anyone use LLMs without coding, without cloud, without subscriptions. These are not big corporations, these are small teams. Winning because open source makes the playing field fair. The death of the pay monthly for everything era. Let's talk about something most SaaS founders don't want to hear. The subscription-only business model is dying. People are tired of monthly fees, tired of paying for simple features, tired of renting tools they can run locally. AI is making software abundant, accessible, replaceable. This means SaaS founders must evolve or disappear. Successful SaaS tools of the future will be service-backed, value-based. Superpower 3. You can build better custom fine-tuned models, outperform generic SaaS tools. Superpower 4. You own everything: your data, your model, your pipeline, your ecosystem. This means the only barrier now is creativity, not funding, not compute, not infrastructure. The new SaaS model: OS plus agents plus automations. The next generation of SaaS won't be giant platforms. It will be small, fast, hyper-specialized. Why? This is great news for new founders. If you're planning to build an AI business, this is the best time in history, because open source models give you 4 superpowers. Superpowers only big companies used to have. Superpower 1. You can build fast prototype in days, launch in weeks, scale in months. Superpower 2. You can build cheap $20 GPU can now run a 7B or 14B model easily. Real-world examples. Small teams beating giants. Here are real examples of tiny open-source powered products crushing CEOs. Example 1. DeepSeek. A Chinese research team released open-source models that outperform some GPT models, result massive adoption. Millions of downloads. Whole ecosystems built around it. Example 2. Olama. 2 developers created a local inference engine. Suddenly,